What's up, foodies? Are you wondering how Blue Apron meals are packaged? Let me break it down for you. Blue Apron packs all their ingredients in a special insulated box to keep them fresh during transit. They use a combination of ice packs and eco-friendly liners to keep everything at the perfect temperature. Each meal is packaged individually with all the necessary ingredients, including sauces and spices, in pre-measured portions. This means less waste and less hassle for you when it comes to portioning out ingredients. The recipe cards included in the box have step-by-step instructions on how to prepare each meal, making it easy to cook up a storm in your own kitchen. Plus, they often include tips and tricks to help you get the most flavor out of your meal. And when it comes to sustainability, Blue Apron is doing their part. They use recyclable and compostable materials for their packaging, and they've even partnered with local organizations to help recycle their packaging materials. So if you're looking for a meal kit service that not only delivers delicious and fresh ingredients, but also cares about the environment, Blue Apron is a great option for you. And remember, if you use our link in the description, you can get an additional discount on your first few meals. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in and happy cooking.